Hi, here is company Monax, and today we present MR-26A machine for sharpening twist drills with a diameter of 12 to 26 mm. It's a reliable and compact machine for fast, professional resharpening of twist drills. It's suitable for carbide and high-SS drills, very easy to operate, no special skills required. Very high precision sharpening, restores cutting edges and drill geometry. It saves tool costs by extending drill lifetime. This package includes also 14 collets and high-quality grinding wheel. This machine is very perfect choice for workshops, manufacturing and service companies. So, call our manager and they will help you choose the best solution for your business.